basic version, just follow the tab along you go. If you want to make it a little bit more exciting, here's a couple of things you can do. So you play your first note, and then you can do a hammer on to get the 0 to 2. And then watch this. It's not really notated there, but you're going to do, to get, when you go to that 3rd fret there, you're going to also very sharply hammer into it. That makes it just sound, I don't know, way cooler. And the same thing when you go at the end there, you can do a quick hammer onto that 3 again. So the verse, here you go, you're going to do G, E minor, and then C, walking down to A minor. And you're going to repeat that 3 times, and then the sort of 4th cycle of the verse is very similar, apart from you go to a D at the end, apart from an A minor. That whatever that lovely line is that he sings, and then you're into the chorus. But let's go over that again, because that was very quick. So bar of G, 1 measure of G, sort of as nice, sort of relaxed strumming. E minor, sort of classic down, down, up, up, down, up, and then you go into the C, and you're going to do the walk down to A minor. So you're going to play C, and put your finger there for the hold that low B note, and then A minor. Very lovely thing to do. It comes up in lots of songs. So you do that whole little section 3 times, and then on the 4th time you go G, G minor, C, start walking down, but now go up to D. And then you're into the chorus, which goes like this. It's just a nice G for a bar, C, D. So it's just like 2 hits on the C, 2 hits on the D. So together that makes up a full measure. I'll do that again. So G, C, D, and repeat. This time E minor. And I would sing over the top so you know what was going on, apart from I'm not very good at singing, and I'm definitely not going to murder that song for you because it's such a great song. That's really all there is to it, so just walk down, watch out for those little C to A minor walk downs. And watch out for the little just half bars of C's, half bars of D's in the choruses. And there you go, you've got one of the best songs of all time.